everyone, Jack's Gaming. Welcome back to my bedroom renovation series. Now this one is a bit of a strange one because we are not in my bedroom. We are in the other bedroom where all of my stuff has been kept. Some of the stuff that has been in here for a while and some stuff I haven't moved back in. Obviously there is some stuff that I have already moved back in to my bedroom. But you can see that there is still some stuff that I haven't moved back in at the moment. But that's got nothing to do with this video. Because quite recently I have reorganised all of my video games and DVDs. And what I want to do is I want to show you them all. Now there is a lot of them. And I am planning to buy more of them in the future, but for now, this is my full collection. Because in the past, I did quite a few of these where I did collections of all of my games and DVDs. But now, I'm doing a new one. So let's get underway. So we'll start off with my PlayStation 2. So you can see there's all my collection there. And there is more than that. And then if we move on to this side, we've got Nintendo Switch, we've got 3DS, PlayStation Vita, PlayStation 4, and Wii U. Up next, PlayStation 3. Up next, Xbox One. And the last one in this box, my DVDs. Right, well, that is not the end, because I have more games and DVDs in this box. Here we go. So, Xbox 360. PlayStation 2. And PC games. Next, Nintendo Wii. Next up, my DVDs. And that is my collection. Oh, no, that is not the end of the collection, because there is more here. So here we go again. So we've got Xbox Series X, Xbox One, Xbox 360, DVDs, and original Xbox. And that is now the end of all of my games and DVDs in full. So yeah, there we go. There are all my DVDs and video games collection. I just thought I'd just give you an update on them all. Just because I've started, they've been in, obviously, bags and boxes for a long time, so I thought I'd just kind of show you them all again and let you know. Obviously, all the ones that I've showed you, I will be playing on YouTube, doing live streams on them. Obviously, a lot of them won't actually feature this channel. Some of them will feature Morjack's Gaming, which of course is my non-family friendly channel. So I will be playing those games on there. So make sure you stay around for them. And yeah, that is my collection so far. Yes, I do have a lot of games, of course. Yeah, I do have a lot on all the different consoles I have. But that actually won't be the end, because at some point I will be going back and buying more. I've actually had quite a long break from buying games, because I used to do it. I used to do it a lot in the past, and I just wanted quite a long break from doing it. Now there will be a point when I will start doing it again, when I'll just go down and see what games I haven't got, and I can just add them to my collection. As I said from before, I don't even know when that's going to be. I probably won't do that until I might maybe do it in the winter period. That's when I might start doing it. But I'm not really 100% sure, because I don't even know when I'm going to be going back on my consoles again. I mean, I think it's looking like it's probably going to be next year that I'm going to be back on them all again. I mean, I think that's probably going to be the plan. Because I wanna use my new PC system for the rest of this year, so that is probably going to be the plan. So yeah, as I said, it's looking like it's probably going to be the start of next year, where I'm going to start playing on them again, and playing all these games. So maybe the collection might start in the winter, when I start going down and buying more, and see what I haven't got. But the other thing, anyway, I've got online anyway, so I can just buy games online. So yeah, but I know that on Xbox I have online, obviously, but obviously at PlayStation, I actually don't have online on that at the moment, so I do need to get that sorted out, which I'll probably do. Which I think that'll probably be at Christmas time this year. That I'll probably be setting all the online up on there, which I'll probably do. And yeah, so I'm looking forward to going back on them again. I think it should be really, really good. And doing videos on them and live streams on them, because I do have game captures now. So that means I'll be able to use them all for these, and it should be pretty good. Yeah. So yeah, that is it, guys. Yeah, I know it's a bit of a weird renovation video, because I'm not doing it in my bedroom. I'm actually doing it in the other bedroom, the one that where all my stuff has been kept. Obviously, you can see that there is still some stuff that still need moving back in, which I haven't really got around to doing at the moment. Obviously, those carrier bags over there are kind of like the next thing that I'm focusing on, because there's quite a lot of stuff in those bags that I do need to get back out. So I will be. I think that's going to be my next target. Doing all them. Which will be coming up next. Yeah, I think that's probably going to be the next renovation video. Going through all of them. I think that's going to be the next thing that I'm going to be doing. Yeah, I know it's been a bit of a strange one, this one, just because I've not kind of like showed you anything, or I've not given you any updates. I just wanted to kind of show you my all my games and DVDs in this one, because you haven't seen them for quite a long time, actually, and I just wanted to show you them all. But eventually, I will be putting all these back in my bedroom, but just not at the moment, because it's just not the right time. And this is the idea that I thought about doing, putting them in these storage boxes. just because I actually don't have any room, because everything's been took up. So I thought of an idea, and I thought, why not just put them in these, just because it's a good idea. Even though this pile here, obviously I can't fit them all in there, but yeah, I'm going to be putting them in carrier bags. Those that pile, so they're going to be going up. They're going to be going in a like a carrier bag. I'm going to be putting them in, so at least I'll be able to find where those ones are. But yeah, that is it. So I think the next video is going to be me focusing on sorting those CX bags out, and there's like Sports Direct bags and all of that. So I'm going to be going through all them next. So yeah, whenever the time comes on, then I'll be showing you what will be on them. Yeah. So yeah, that is it. This will probably only be the video in here. So I think the rest of the videos for the rest of the series will be back in my bedroom again. But yeah, this one's just been a bit of a temporary one. And yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you later. Well, I'll see you in the next one.